Today in this video I show you how to make a second YouTube channel. For this you have to open Chrome browser or any other browser you use. Click on search bar and search YouTube Studio. Open this website. Click on continue to studio. Now before doing anything else you have to click on three dots and enable desktop site. You can now pinch and zoom to pick the settings icon. Now inside settings click on channel and slide this to right side. Open advanced settings. Scroll down to the end. Now you have to click on manage YouTube account. Select Chrome. Now you have to select add or manage your channels and then select create a channel. Now you need to type in the channel name and check if it's available and then click on create channel. Now my channel has been created. You can see if I go back and open YouTube app, click on profile. Now tap on switch account. You can see that the channel I created is accessible here, and if I tap on it, I can go to my second channel. So this is how you can make a second YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.